Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make your lip gloss to avoid the pigment separation, mostly the mica separation. I did 2 lip glosses to test out, so I'm going to show you guys the results. Just stay tuned. So this is the mixture from the video before this on how to make clear lip gloss. You guys can go look at that if you want to see what oils that I did use. And I'm just using a gold pigment from TKB Trading. I didn't put too much of the pigment because I didn't know how the lip gloss was going to turn out. This is just a test. So yeah. So this is basically supposed to be a pineapple flavored lip gloss. I didn't want it to be gold. I had no yellow pigment. So this is why I didn't put too much of the mica pigment. Also just testing out to see if it will separate, because this is a new lip gloss formula that I came up with. And I am selling the 8-ounce bag if you guys want to purchase that on my website. It is currently sold out, but I will be making more soon. As you guys can tell from my previous videos, this lip gloss is not as runny as before. It's a little bit thicker, so just keep watching. Applying the lip gloss to the syringe how I usually do it, the easiest way for me with no mess. Yeah, so I'm just going to be pulling that up. Now I'm just filling up the lip gloss tubes. If you already know how to do that, you can just fast forward through this part until you get to the part where I show you the 2 different lip glosses. These came out super cute, and I'll be leaving the link to the website down below, as well as the premix lip gloss base. Alright, so here are the lip glosses I made 2 days ago. There is no mica separation, like the pigment did not separate at all, not even a little bit. It's all there. There is no line or anything. And here is the other one that I made. Here's the other one that I made. See the line right there? I'm gonna make these over with the new lip gloss formula because I had to discontinue these because of this same reason. So if you guys want to purchase this new lip gloss formula, it will be on my website. Right now it's sold out, but I will be making more soon. And here is it again.